Welcome to the Programming Parrot Corp, where innovation meets efficiency. As we expand rapidly, we're faced with a surge in user requests across various departments, creating backlogs and delaying account creation and modifications, which impacts productivity. We have a solution that's about to transform user management. Introducing Azure AzureEntraIDApp, our cutting-edge Blazor WebAssembly application. With this app, users can create, modify, disable, delete Entra ID accounts, reset user passwords, assign M365 license seamlessly. It includes a feedback form, performs sentiment analysis with Azure AI language, securely stores data in SQL Server, and sends an email to the user. This self-serve model not only boosts employee productivity but also cuts costs significantly. Development speed was crucial, hence we turned to Visual Studio and GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot accelerated code development for front-end, back-end, and unit tests, while also aiding in error resolution and generating comprehensive project documentation, a true game changer. Azure Static Web Apps, Azure Functions, Entra ID, Azure AI Language, Azure Communication Services, Graph API, SQL Server Database, Data Builder API, M365 were used in this app. We're excited to roll out this innovative solution.
So let's walk you through AzureEntraIDApp. So this is the homepage for our app. If you see a list of all the users that are on the AzureEntraID, so this page gives you the list of all the users. Now, if you want to create a user, you can go to the Create User page. Once you click Create User, it will say user created successfully. Now, if you want to modify a user, suppose you want to modify user 7, so I will just make it to you test 9, so I'm just updated display name. So it's updated. Now, if I want to go to disable users, if I want to disable user 7, so I will just say confirm. So it will disable the user. Now, if I want to delete this user, so I will just click on delete. So I will click confirm. So this user will be deleted. Now, reset user password. So if I want to reset user password for user 5, the password for this user is being reset. Now, this is another page to perform any action. So this page can act as a one-stop shop to take you to any of the pages. Now, this is the page to assign the license. So if you want to assign Microsoft 365 F1 license to user 4, so once you click assign license, it will assign the license. Now, this is the feedback page. So this is a good website. So basically, this is a positive feedback. And there is also a negative feedback. This is not a good website. So I'm submitting both the feedbacks for the demo purpose. So if you see, when we submit the positive feedback, it displays this message, thank you for the positive feedback. And once you give a negative feedback, it gives the message, a help desk representative will reach out to you soon to understand the issue. So this analysis is based on Azure AI language, and we are also sending an email as part of this. So that's all for the demo of Azure AzureEntraIDApp. Thank you.